So, this is a demonstration of the RFID dead fish monitoring system. Here's the antenna, and this is the box which contains the microprocessor and outputs the number of dead fish and the number of registered fish that is detected. And this is a output to debug and read the values and read the tags that the scanner is sensing. So as you can see, at the start there's 0 dead fish, and this is reflected in the LCD, which is that there's 0 dead and 0 registered. And additionally, the LCD can also scroll through the settings and show the IP address of the Raspberry Pi so that it can be configured from another computer over SSH, and you can also switch the Pi off or reset all the registered values of the serial numbers. And you can scroll through the settings, like the serial port that the scanner is connected to and all the various thresholds and intervals. Okay, so now we're gonna put some fish RFID tags. Okay, so the thing refreshes every 15 seconds, and now it is 3. So it detects 3 because there's 3 tags. It shows up here and has the status of whether it's alive or dead, and it reflects here under the registered values. And according to the dead fish counter, if it's present for more than 3 times, then for more than 5 times, then the fish status will change from alive to dead, as we will soon see. So now you can also see that it displays, after the fish status has been changed to dead, it also displays the time of death. And we'll see whether, yes, on the LCD screen the number of dead fish has also been updated. At the same time, at the server in the office, there's this batch file running, and what this batch file does is it grabs all the CSV files from the Raspberry Pi and outputs it to a window, and it just loops. So it will keep syncing the data files, and then it will output the data file to a window for reference. So as you can see here, it shows that there are 3 dead fish, and it shows the 3 times of death, and this corresponds with the information displayed here by the Pi and the information displayed on the LCD. So now let's see what happens when there are more than 7 dead fish. So from the output of the computer, we can see that now there are a lot more fish registered because there are a lot more tags, and reflected in the LCD there's a lot more registered fish. So it's now 11, and this LCD refreshes every 15 seconds. So when we take away, let's say if we take away one of them or a couple of them, and the absence counter goes up to more than 3. Okay, this row is the absence counter, and if the absence counter goes up to more than 3, then it will reset the health, and the health will go down to 0. So then the fish, that means the fish just swam past the scanner and wasn't actually dead. You can see that now there's a lot more dead fish, and since there are more than 7 dead fish, there's the alert, and the 2 relays have been activated. And well, for now we are using stand-ins of like DC fans, but there's even more fish that are dead. There's 10 dead fish, and you can either mute it, which will turn off the K3 relay, so that will be the sound, so there will still be the flashing light but there will be no sound, or you can reset the whole system, which will reset all the serial numbers. Alternatively, you can use the hardwired switch, which will just cut off power to the lights and sound in case it's too annoying. and at this time you can still go back and see the number of registered fish and the number of dead fish. So after, okay, now let's see. As you can see, the server program has been running by itself, and it has even sent an email alert. So let's check out the email alert. Dun, dun. Oh my goodness, it's a new email. The number of dead fish is above the threshold. There are currently 10 dead fish. So this email alert will be sent to the farmer, and it can be a notification on his phone. So as you can see from this window, you see all the statuses of all the fish and their time of death. Ta-da. Okay. So now we will reset the system and remove all this first. Okay, let me activate this. So let's say that the alarm is going on, and then after that the farmer removes all the dead fish and throws away all those dead fish. So now all those tags are gone. Then when he clicks the reset button, the whole program is reset, and basically it starts building up its table again from 0. So that now there are 0 registered. And you can see under here, 0 dead fish. So the whole system is reset. And again, it will start counting up. We put some dead fish. Now it has detected some dead fish, and as you can see, they are alive again. And the registered is 3, so the whole system is reset.